Hi, I'm Keith Jacobs, Director of Provider Development here at Step Up for Students.
And I'm Kelly Dwanger, Manager in Provider Development. We're here to share how your student's scholarship can unlock new educational opportunities through contracted public schools.
Did you know your student scholarship can unlock even more learning opportunities? Through the Emma Marketplace, you can use scholarship funds to access services from contracted public schools without enrolling full-time.
Exactly. These services are available to eligible students across districts with both in-person and virtual options. Think electives, AP courses, therapies, career training, after-school clubs and organizations, and beyond.
And the best part? You stay in control. Choose what fits your child's needs and pay directly through your scholarship. No out-of-pocket costs.
Ready to explore? Log into your Emma account and check out the Contracted Public School Services section today. Scan the QR code on your screen to learn more and review the opportunities offered through contracted public schools.
If you don't see your district listed or have suggestions for additional offerings, reach out to your local district to share your interests. Thank you for joining us, and keep looking for unique ways to personalize and enrich your child's education.